All right, for this video, we're gonna go over palette knife. Now, when I gave you supplies earlier this year, you might have gotten one of 3 different looking palette knives. They all basically do the same thing. They're just kind of different shapes. Primarily, palette knives are used to mix paint. When we're talking about oil paints, maybe you've seen other people kind of use, these are plastic, we have metal ones, used to kind of mix paint. With our acrylic paint, it's thin enough where we can do most of our mixing with just our brushes. So we don't primarily use these things to mix paint in our class, but we do use it to scrape or slide or spread or dab, or use this as a tool to help us paint. Okay. So if I grab a practice paper here, whatever one that you have, this is just a fantastic tool to do and get a lot of different shapes and looks that I don't think you can get based on, or if you just have your paintbrush. Okay? So I'm gonna be kind of going along, kind of the easiest one maybe is if I get some paint here and come through and just hold and scrape, maybe bounce there a little bit. I'm seeing kind of all the different things I can do. Maybe I just get kind of the edge and see maybe the smallest dots here, kind of pointing. Maybe I get a lot of here and I try to just gently kind of pad that paint down. Maybe I come back here. Bounce it, maybe I do different lines. And the idea here, again, is just pretending that this palette knife is almost your paintbrush and seeing kind of the different things that you can do with it, the different lines, the different shapes, almost maybe even using it as a stamp, right? I think this is maybe the best tool when it comes to getting a kind of repeated pattern of colors in stamps to get different samples. So that's your palette knife. Again, I use this one, but these 2 different sizes and different shapes kind of do the exactly same thing as this one.